Welcome back, age-defying enthusiasts. If you thought the first 6 hallmarks of aging were mind-blowing, buckle up because we're about to dive into the following 6, and trust me, they're gonna knock your socks off. Imagine waking up on your 100th birthday feeling as spry as a 30-year-old, ready to run a marathon or learn a new language. Sound too good to be true? The cutting-edge research we're about to explore might bring us closer to that reality. In Part 1, we unraveled the mysteries of our cellular blueprint, those ticking time bombs at the end of our chromosomes, and the fascinating world of cellular energy production. But that was just the appetizer. Now we're diving into the main course of aging science, and it's a feast for the curious mind. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to age like fine wine while others do not? The answers might lie in the hallmarks we're about to explore. We'll journey into the world of cellular retirement homes, uncover the secret language your cells use to stay young, and even explore how your body's internal cleanup crew might hold the key to longevity. But wait, there's more. We'll venture into the bustling metropolis living in your gut and discover how these tiny tenants might be the secret authors of your aging story. And when you think you've heard it all, we'll reveal how a slow-burning fire in your body could be secretly accelerating your aging clock, and what we might be able to do about it. So, are you ready to continue our journey into the fascinating world of aging science? Whether you're 25 or 85, the information we're about to explore could revolutionize how you think about getting older. Who knows? The fountain of youth might not be a magical spring, but a well of scientific knowledge just waiting to be tapped. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be excited about the potential to rewrite your aging story. Let's dive in and discover how we can make growing old a thing of the past. 7th on our list is cellular senescence. Imagine some of your cells deciding to retire, but instead of quietly stepping aside, they stick around and cause a stir. These senescent cells stop dividing but refuse to die off, potentially leading to inflammation and other issues. As we age, these troublemaker cells tend to accumulate in our tissues, which may contribute to various age-related conditions. The exciting part is that researchers are paying close attention to these senescent cells. Some studies have shown improved health and lifespan when these cells are cleared out. Imagine if we could find ways to give these cellular troublemakers their final retirement papers. While we're still at the stage of removing these cells in humans, this study area is one to watch. Who knows? Understanding and addressing these senescent cells might be a key to healthier aging. Let's discuss stem cell exhaustion, number 8 on our aging hit list. Imagine your body as a bustling city, constantly needing repairs and renovations. Stem cells are like the master construction crews, capable of rebuilding and renewing various parts of your cellular metropolis. But as we age, these crews start to dwindle and lose their mojo. It's like having fewer and less skilled workers to keep your city in tip-top shape. This decline in stem cell power affects everything from how quickly you heal from injuries to how well your organs function. But here's where it gets exciting. Researchers are exploring ways to boost these cellular construction crews. Some studies are looking at rejuvenating these tired stem cells or introducing fresh, young stem cells into the mix. Imagine being able to revitalize your body's repair system, slowing down the aging process and keeping your tissues healthier for longer. It's like finding the fountain of youth hidden in your cells. While we're not quite there yet, the potential is mind-blowing. Who knows? In the future, we might be able to hit the refresh button on our stem cells, giving our bodies a new lease on life. Now that's something to get your stem cells dancing about. 9th on our list is altered intercellular communication. As we age, the chatter between our cells gets garbled. It's like a game of cellular telephone where the message gets more distorted with each passing year. This communication breakdown can lead to various issues, from chronic inflammation to a general decline in how well our tissues function. The fascinating part? This hallmark is interconnected with others we've discussed, like cellular senescence and inflammation. It's as if our body's internal social network is experiencing more and more glitches over time. Understanding this hallmark opens up exciting possibilities for future research. Imagine finding ways to clear up the static and get our cells talking again. It could impact everything from how we heal to how we fight off diseases. While we're not quite there yet, this area of research is one to watch. The key to smoother cellular conversations might be closer than we think. Now let's talk about one of the newer additions to our list of aging hallmarks: compromised autophagy. Think of autophagy as your body's cellular recycling system. It's like having a cleanup crew in each of your cells, constantly removing damaged components and keeping things tidy. But as we age, this system becomes less efficient. The cleanup crew is getting lazy, letting cellular junk pile up. Researchers have identified autophagy as a crucial process for maintaining cellular health, and its decline is now recognized as an essential factor in aging. While the Hallmarks papers don't specifically mention lifespan extension or improved vaccine response, they do emphasize the potential importance of autophagy in age-related diseases and overall health. Understanding how autophagy changes with age opens up exciting possibilities for future research. Imagine finding ways to perk up that cellular cleanup crew, potentially keeping our cells healthier for longer. While we're still there, this study area is one to watch. Who knows? The key to cellular spring cleaning might be closer than we think. The 11th hallmark on our list is microbiome disturbance. This is a relatively new addition to our understanding of aging, and it's all about the trillions of tiny organisms living in your gut. As we age, the diversity of these gut bacteria tends to decrease. It's like going from a bustling metropolis of microbes to a quiet small town. The source materials highlight this as an essential factor in aging, potentially contributing to various age-related conditions. Research emphasizes the growing recognition of the microbiome's role in aging. This opens up fascinating avenues for future research. Imagine if we could find ways to keep our gut microbiome vibrant and diverse as we age. While we're still there, this study area is one to watch. Who knows? The key to healthier aging might just be hiding in your gut. Finally, we come to the 12th hallmark: inflammation, often referred to as inflammaging in the context of aging. This is another recent addition to our understanding of the aging process. As we get older, our bodies tend to experience a state of chronic, low-grade inflammation. It's like having a barely noticeable but persistent alarm going off in your cells. Research highlights this as an essential factor in aging, potentially contributing to various age-related conditions. Today, researchers are finally recognizing the significance of inflammation in aging. This opens up intriguing possibilities for future research. Imagine finding ways to calm this cellular alarm system as we age. While we're not at the stage of having specific anti-inflammation treatments, this study area is one to watch. Perhaps understanding and addressing this chronic inflammation might be a key to healthier aging. You might be thinking, this is fascinating, but what does it mean for me? The answer is empowering. Understanding these hallmarks gives us unprecedented insight into how our bodies change. More importantly, it provides potential targets for interventions that could help us live longer, healthier lives. This knowledge puts you in the driver's seat of your health journey, empowering you to make informed decisions. Let's look at some real-world applications of this research. A study at the Copenhagen Symposium showed that lifelong exercisers had better preserved muscle stem cells and improved neuromuscular function than their sedentary peers. This directly relates to the hallmarks of stem cell exhaustion and altered intercellular communication. It's a powerful reminder of how lifestyle choices can influence our aging process at a cellular level. Another fascinating area of research involves a compound called NAD+. Levels of this crucial molecule decline as we age, contributing to various age-related issues. NAD+ plays a role in several hallmarks, including mitochondrial function and DNA repair. But here's the kicker. Researchers are finding ways to boost NAD+ levels, potentially improving cardiovascular health, cognitive function, and even hearing. But here's the fascinating part. We don't have to wait for future therapies to start influencing these hallmarks. There are things we can do right now. For example, regular exercise has been shown to positively affect many of these hallmarks, from improving mitochondrial function to reducing inflammation. It's like a multi-targeted approach to combating aging. Diet plays a crucial role too. Foods rich in polyphenols like berries and green tea can activate cellular defense mechanisms that combat aging. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome through a diverse, plant-based diet could help stave off age-related inflammation. Some researchers are even looking at specific dietary patterns like the Mediterranean diet and their potential to simultaneously influence multiple hallmarks of aging. And get this, researchers are developing ways to measure biological age, which can differ from chronological age. These aging clocks look at things like DNA methylation patterns and can show you how well your anti-aging efforts are working. Imagine being able to track your biological age and see it decrease as you make healthy changes. It's like having a real-time feedback system for your anti-aging efforts. What can you do with this information right now? First, stay informed. The field of aging research is moving quickly, and new discoveries are constantly being made. Keep an eye out for developments related to these hallmarks of aging. They could lead to breakthrough therapies in the near future. Secondly, focus on the basics. While we wait for more advanced interventions, there's a lot you can do to influence these hallmarks through lifestyle choices. Eat a healthy diet rich in plants and antioxidants. Exercise regularly. Manage stress. Get enough sleep. These might seem simple, but they can profoundly affect many aspects of aging. Remember, small changes can add up to significant results over time. Lastly, feel free to talk to your healthcare provider about aging. As our understanding of these processes grows, more clinicians are taking a proactive approach to healthy aging. They can offer insights or interventions tailored to your specific needs. It's about taking an active role in your health and longevity. Remember, aging is a natural process, but that doesn't mean we're powerless against it. Understanding these 12 hallmarks of aging opens up new possibilities for living longer, healthier lives. It's an exciting time to be alive, and who knows? The discoveries could lead to therapies that dramatically extend our health span shortly. So, are you ready to take control of your aging process? Are you excited about the possibilities that this research opens up? I know I am. Let's embrace this knowledge and use it to live our best, healthiest lives. After all, it's not just about adding years to our life, but life to our years. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the fascinating world of aging research. If you found this information valuable, please like and share this video. And remember to subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge health science. Until next time, here's to your health and longevity.